Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, I want to show you this high-speed card reader that this brand sent to me for this video. I tried it last night and I think it is just fantastic. Number one, because how fast this thing is, and also how compact. You can see how compact it is, and you can have the 4 card reader slots working at the same time. So this one is simultaneous. So I think it's really, really cool for content creators, for example, that they want to kind of like unload everything and download everything to their computers. This one, you can do it at the same time. And by the way, 1500 megabytes per second. This thing is super fast. It's even so fast they have some dissipation, like heat dissipation on the sides, meaning that this one, you know that it can get hot because how powerful this one is, but it has the heat dissipation. Also, this one right here, it's a very fast USB-C cable with golden ports, and this one is going to be fantastic just to have and take it with you on the go. And just, for example, if you're going to go doing some content creation somewhere else and something like that, you need something fast to download everything to your laptop from your memory cards, this is going to be fantastic. Compact, reliable, easy to use. Let's check it out. Okay, check it out. I want to show you the time reaction. It's right here. It's plugged to my USB-C port. I have a normal, regular SD card. When I just plug it in here, check out how fast it is. Boom. It's done. It's open. Now I'm going to just do this. I'm going to grab the first one. And you can see, boop. That's it. That's it. That's how fast it is. And if I want to do the opposite, for example, I'm going to just change the name on this one. I'm going to just like something like this. And if I want to do the opposite and upload, check this out. It is so fast. And that one has videos and images inside. It's just not only photos or something like that. But if I want to do the same, I can just like unplug this one. I'm going to put a micro SD card that I have right here. Just right here. Just like that. You need to push the micro SD card. You need to push it just a little bit more until it clicks. That one clicked right away. You can see this. And the micro SD card. So fast. So I gotta say, compact, easy to use, reliable, fast, and powerful. This thing is fantastic.